Hi, my name is Helen Baker, and this is my older adult oral video presentation. After my interview a few weeks back, I chose to focus my research and presentation on stage 5 of Erikson's theory of psychosocial development. Erikson's theory involves the idea that at each stage attributed to a certain age group, an individual is faced with a crisis or challenge that is attributed or ultimately anticipated in that developmental stage. And it is their handling of this crisis that allows them to develop in such a way to move forward